we're in the area of I-4 and E.E. Williams. And, we're getting consistently struck by a green laser, but it's going to be a little bit further out. I'm going to try and narrow it down, but if units can start making their way towards 427.
37.
Adult female 1097 requesting audio reference to boyfriend having verbal.
14, there was a call just on one of the other channels. Somebody had a call reference. Somebody was getting shined with a laser. I don't know which channel it was.
14, you broke up.
Thank you, ma'am.
I just 611, 2350 hours.
4442. You can just clear me out.
Looks like he was wearing swim trunks.
No, ma'am, no cyber. We don't have that at this time.
And we're getting lasered again. Stand by.
13, 14, 23, 51 hours.
Williamson now coming to Lake in a second.
Okay, yeah, he's lasering us and then running back and forth on the sides of the house.